We are here at another off-market beauty south side of Metro Atlanta. We're in Hampton, Georgia today at the Winter Creek Estate subdivision, just 10 minutes from I-75. Plenty of fine dining nearby, churches, walking parks for you or your pets. This one we will knock 1% off the first year of your mortgage with our preferred lender. We are looking at 3 levels of above ground goodness. Again, Hampton, Georgia, 609 Eskimo Court, south side of Atlanta. We are also sitting on a cul-de-sac. Look at that. That means less traffic, less people passing by your home all day long. That's right. Listen, this is a beauty we are looking at. We have chandelier, 2-story foyer. We've got a 2-story family room. We've got a lovely open space from the kitchen. And first level, we've got the master on the first level. We've got a master on the second level. It's just so much. You've got to call 470-481-1978 and schedule your private viewing of this one today. I guarantee you'll love this home. If you don't love this home within 24 months, you give me a call and I will sell it for free. 470-481-1978. This is Tish Williams with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, SouthMetroAtlantaHomes.com.